So today I wanted to take a moment to talk about the electrical final work. And I hate to say it, but the electrician was actually on site during the filming of the previous clip in the morning. And I just did not film any of it because I didn't want to get involved with having him on camera or how he would feel about that. So I just kind of thought, well, I just won't do any filming while he's here. But even then, once he left and all the work was completed, I didn't even film any of that either. So I thought, even in my closing clip, I didn't even mention it, that he came and did that. So I didn't realize this until I was editing that clip, and I thought, man, I really at least need to detail what they did and give you some shots, at least what I can show. So basically what they did that day was they installed all the switches, all the outlets, all the plates, of course. They installed the ceiling fan in the main bedroom, and they installed the trims and the bulbs in the lights that are in the hallway and the lights that are in the closet. And that will be a problem in the future when we get an inspection, so you'll have to wait for that to see how that plays out. They installed a seal trim in the shower area, and it needs to be different from the normal ones because of it's a wet area. So other than the bath fan grill, I just put that up myself. There's only one thing that they did not do, which is the vanity light. And it's because since I have not grouted the tile, I was waiting until I grouted the tile, and then I would set the actual cabinet, vanity cabinet. Then I would know exactly where the center line is. And then at that point, I told the electrician, I'll just go ahead and install it. And he said, that's fine. It's not a rush to him. Once I'm ready, he'll call in for the final inspection. There was an exterior light that they installed, and the homeowner had a new light that they purchased. But they asked if we installed the new light down below at another entrance and brought the light from that entrance up and put it on the outside by the addition, because that light matched the light that's over by the other French door. So they would be identical up on the deck area. So the electrician did that. So other than that, at least at this point, I just wanted to give you an idea of what they did and show you a couple shots at least of what they installed. So I hope you'll join me in the next clip where, as I said, we'll get into the grouting and we'll keep going with the hardwood flooring. So I'll see you then.